There's something magical about the moment you hang a wreath on your door. It's like signaling that Christmas has truly arrived. The scent of pine, the shimmer of ornaments, and the glow of fairy lights all come together to say, "Welcome to the season of joy." From timeless evergreen circles to modern minimalist designs, wreaths have evolved into one of the most creative expressions of holiday style. Whether you love a cozy rustic look, a sleek metallic vibe, or a playful DIY project, your wreath can reflect your entire Christmas story in one perfect design. So grab your ribbons, greenery, and a touch of imagination. It's time to create a wreath that captures the magic of Christmas with every twist, sparkle, and bow. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy corner for all things holiday and home. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas wreath ideas that are festive, stylish, and easy to make. From elegant front door designs to rustic DIY creations, get ready to deck your doors, walls, and windows with wreaths that wow. Why are wreaths such an important part of Christmas decor? Wreaths symbolize eternity and the spirit of giving. Evergreen branches arranged in a perfect circle represent life that never ends. They're not just decorations, they're symbols of warmth and welcome. What are some classic Christmas wreath ideas? You can never go wrong with lush green pine, red berries, and a big velvet bow. Add gold ornaments or twinkling lights for that timeless holiday movie glow. If you love classic Christmas charm, don't forget to like and share this video with fellow holiday decorators. What are some DIY Christmas wreath ideas for beginners? Start with a plain grapevine or wire wreath base and add greenery, ribbons, and ornaments. Hot glue makes it simple. Mix textures and colors for a homemade but elegant look. How can I create a modern Christmas wreath design? Opt for asymmetrical styles using eucalyptus, pampas grass, and metallic ornaments. A minimalist half wreath with sleek gold accents feels chic, fresh, and perfect for modern homes. Do you prefer classic or modern Christmas wreaths? Let us know in the comments below. What are rustic Christmas wreath ideas? Incorporate natural materials, think pine cones, burlap ribbons, dried oranges, and cinnamon sticks. Rustic wreaths bring that cozy farmhouse feel that's both timeless and comforting. How can I make my wreath smell amazing? Add sprigs of rosemary, cedar, or eucalyptus for a natural scent. You can also use essential oils or scented pine cones for that fresh Christmas fragrance. Check out our DIY Christmas playlist in the description for more handmade decor ideas that fill your home with holiday cheer. What are creative ways to decorate a store-bought wreath? Add a personal touch. Tie on family ornaments, miniature bells, or fairy lights. Layer different ribbons. or paint pine cones for a custom look that feels one of a kind. How can I make a wreath that lasts all season? Use faux greenery mixed with a few real branches for a natural yet durable look. Mist real wreaths with water every few days and keep them away from direct heat sources. Love long-lasting holiday decor tips? Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly inspiration all season long. How can I create a unique Christmas wreath for indoors? Hang a small wreath above your fireplace, on mirrors, or even kitchen cabinets. You can add fairy lights or personalized ornaments to make it blend beautifully with indoor decor. What are some fun, family-friendly wreath craft ideas? Use paper snowflakes, felt cutouts, or pom-poms to create a whimsical look. Kids love decorating mini wreaths that can be hung on their bedroom doors or windows. Want more creative holiday crafts? Watch our DIY Christmas decorations video, linked in the description. How can I design an elegant wreath for my front door? Keep it balanced and refined. White flowers, pearl ornaments, and satin ribbon make for a sophisticated entryway piece that looks straight out of a Christmas catalog. What's a good idea for a personalized wreath? Add wooden initials, small photo frames, or even your family name in script letters. It turns your front door into a festive, personal welcome sign. What are some trending Christmas wreath ideas for 2025? Expect to see dried floral wreaths, mixed metallics, and whimsical pastel color palettes. Designers are blending vintage nostalgia with modern simplicity this season. Can I make a Grinch or themed Christmas wreath? Absolutely. Try green mesh fabric, red bows, and quirky elements like striped ornaments. Themed wreaths are fun conversation starters for guests of all ages. How can I display wreaths creatively around my home? Hang them on stair rails, windows, or even as centerpieces over dining tables. Layering wreaths at different heights adds visual depth and holiday drama. A wreath is more than a decoration. It's a celebration of the season, a circle of joy, and a warm welcome to everyone who visits. Whether you prefer rustic, modern, or DIY charm, your wreath tells your Christmas story before guests even step inside. So grab your greenery, add your sparkle, and let your creativity bloom this holiday season. Because every home deserves a wreath that shines as bright as the joy it brings. enjoyed these Christmas wreath ideas? Hit like and share to spread the inspiration. Which wreath style will you try? Modern, rustic, or DIY handmade? Drop your pick below. Don't miss our holiday DIY playlist for more creative Christmas decorating tutorials. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday decor videos packed with inspiration and easy tips. Watch related videos on door decor, garlands, and mantel styling, linked in the description.